A woman's gaze can speak volumes if you know how to read it. Sometimes it's subtle, like a fleeting sideways glance. Other times, it's bold and direct, locking onto you with undeniable intensity. Understanding these signals helps you gauge attraction, build rapport, and connect on a deeper level. Eye contact is often the first step in forming a bond, and knowing how to respond can transform your social and romantic interactions. Here are 6 ways a woman's look might reveal her feelings and how you should respond. 1. The bold, unwavering, "I want you" look. This one is impossible to miss. When a woman locks eyes with you intensely, her pupils may dilate and her breathing might shift subtly. There's tension in the air. Desire is clear. She may also lean toward you, touch her hair, or lightly brush against you. Confidence is key. Don't hesitate. Start a conversation, lean in, or take the next step. She's giving you the green light. 2. The sideways glance. A subtle yet revealing signal. This look often happens when she's pretending to focus on something else, her phone, a friend, but keeps sneaking peeks at you. It's her way of testing the waters while keeping an air of mystery. If you catch her looking, hold her gaze for just a second longer than usual. This lets her know you've noticed and encourages her to open up. 3. The playful glance and smile. This flirtatious, teasing look involves a quick glance, a coy smile, and a look away, only for her to sneak another peek moments later. It's a fun, low-pressure way of getting your attention. Play along. Smile back, hold her gaze briefly, or throw in a lighthearted comment. This keeps the energy fun and engaging. 4. The lingering gaze. You lock eyes, and instead of quickly looking away, she holds your stare for just a moment longer than expected. It's not accidental. She's seeing if you'll notice her interest. Don't break eye contact too quickly. Hold her gaze with calm confidence, maybe even add a subtle smile. This reassures her that the connection is mutual. 5. The up and down look. Her eyes move from your face to your body and back again in a deliberate way. She's taking in how you carry yourself, your posture, style, and presence. It's a classic sign of physical attraction. Own it. Stand tall, exude confidence, and acknowledge her with a knowing smile. She's checking you out, so let her know you're aware. 6. The deep, intense stare. This rare, powerful gaze isn't just about attraction, it's about connection. It often happens in quiet, intimate moments when she seems to be looking into you, not just at you. It's charged with emotion and unspoken meaning. Stay present. Don't break the connection or try to lighten the mood. Let the moment build. This kind of look often leads to something deeper. Every glance, whether playful or intense, carries meaning. By learning to interpret these signals and responding with confidence, you not only strengthen connections but also develop a deeper understanding of attraction. Sometimes the most powerful interactions happen without a single word. So pay attention, trust your instincts, and make your move.